Hey guys, it's Tuesday. It's in April. I don't know. Next week we're setting up for the Handbuilt Show. I don't even know what day it is. It's Tuesday. I'm counting the days in the countdown to the Handbuilt Show. Load-in starts in 6 days, so we're all working really hard. You can see Cletus with our trailer has been working really hard, and Andy's truck, Andy James Dio's truck, has been working really hard, as has the bike ambulance. If you guys don't even know, we own this cool thing. A good buddy of ours, Philip, bought us the bike ambulance, and we love it. It's diesel, came from Germany. We use it to haul bikes around and other various things. Anyway, so we simultaneously are preparing for the Handbuilt Show and rearranging our entire shop, it seems. There's a big mess going on here. Brian!
Yeah, I got 4 feet over
Brian's working.
I'm busy.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh wait, there's some shit coming through. All right, let's go through here. So this is our web store moving into Bay 5. Shelves and whatnot. Literally, we're not staging this. It's happening as we speak. It's a mess because of the big move. Main office is there. Over here in the corner. Hi, Alec. You're
I'm hydrating and I'm
dusty. Jesus, man. Auerbach. Over here in the corner, our good friend Nico. From what? I mean, are you Ornamental Conifer? Is that your name, or is that your?
That's not my name. My name is Nico. My moniker is Ornamental Conifer, I guess.
Is it Nico? Should I say Nico?
It's Nico, yeah.
I say Nico.
Americans like to correct me and tell me that when I say my name's Nico, and they go, "Oh, you mean Nico?"
From now on, I'll say Nico. All right.
Yeah.
So this guy I just met, Nico. Just met like probably 5 years ago. Drinking a Tejas beer. Wait, is that an endorsement if we do that? Probably shouldn't be over there. It's empty. It's cached anyway. You need a new one.
Yep.
This is our BMW S1000RR that we're not giving away. We're racing this bike. We built this bike almost a year ago. Complete custom alloy bodywork, all made by hand. And it needed the finishing touches. And the finishing touch was a paint job by Nico. Yeah, right. It sounds weird that I'm saying Nico now, right?
Yep.
Yeah, the 505 number is the number we use because that's Chris Davis's racing number, and we're going with that. So anyway, you can see kind of the basic lines of what's happening. Are you enjoying yourself yet?
Yeah, is that my phone?
It's okay. You're supposed to turn your ringer off when we're
conveniently distracted.
It's completely okay.
Hello?
He just answered a phone call in the middle of filming.
Hi, Abby. How are you? I'm good, thanks.
All right, so I'm going to talk to you about this. You can turn
Yeah.
the sound off for Nico. These are the Handbuilt Show badges, the supporter badges. They're in, and they're pretty cool. These are the wristbands. They're in, and they're pretty cool. You guys, don't try to fake this, because I'm going to catch you if you try to fake your own. But we want you to go buy wristbands. You can buy 3-day passes, you can buy single-day passes and save money. That makes this year cheaper than last year, FYI, because most people don't go for 3 days. But if you want to support us, and yes, we need the support, because believe it or not, it's really expensive to put this thing on, and we still don't really make money. We just try to cover our expenses and make the show better for everybody every year. If you'd go buy badges and wristbands, that would be really cool. Anyway, so the overall bike scheme, or paint scheme for this bike, is to not cover up the alloy bodywork that was done. Nico said he respected it and thought it was too good to cover it all up.
Sorry, that was my landlord.
Did he say get the fuck out?
No, it's my studio. I'm moving studios at the moment, and he was concerned because I was trying to get my friend in there.
Oh, I gotcha. So, how's it been going? I haven't been able to give you a lot of attention. There's a lot of noise going on.
To be honest, the distractions are fine. I'm very much used to working in environments where there's other shit going on, so that's fine for me.
That's great.
What has been a learning curve is I've never painted onto bare metal that hasn't ever been clear coated, so the process has been kind of new to me. Having to drive all around the city trying to find the right kind of tape that doesn't leave any residue on the metal, so we don't need to acetone it afterwards, drawing it out onto the metal so that I don't leave any fingerprints, wearing my little cotton gloves.
This is kind of my fault. I'm feeling bad because I ordered tape, but I messed it up.
And also, it's as nice as the space is, it's kind of, it's very hard to
get back away from it.
Get the right angles. But I'm happy with this, so all this stuff is just tape at the moment, which I'm gonna then draw out and then paint within the lines. I'm happy with the way that's laid out.
It looks really cool.
It'd be nice if I had a couple more days, but such is life.
Back?
Friday.
We'll be out of here and leaving you alone tomorrow, so I know that the distraction isn't a problem, but we could also move you out to the bigger space.
No, the main thing is I cracked my screen on my phone, so when I listen to music, every time I put it in my pocket, it turns it into Siri. And then weirdly on Siri, it always says, "Call Brian?" ?
It's Brian Awatan?
Yeah, I never call Brian.
Who calls Brian? Well, then I can fix that. I can fix that too. Anyway, well, dude, I'm excited. We're gonna leave you alone. This was just part of our daily video series, and I wanted to at least capture that you were here.
I'm a vlogger.
You're a vlogger.
I'm a vlogger, all up on the YouTube.
So this is gonna be Brian. All right, so this way, you can see, go this way. Through here, you'll notice that this used to be our web store kind of area. Now it's a bit more open. This will be fabrication with plenty of space. I'm pretty excited about what this is gonna look like. If you drop me, I'm gonna kill you. It's like we rehearsed that almost, but we didn't. No. So the web store is moving out, and more fabrication will go on in there. Over here, Barry's painting banners. He's just talking, but these are all the hand-painted banners are getting done. They're almost finished, right? Yeah. You'll be done quickly. Yeah. Yeah, he says yes. He says yes. And then we've just crammed all the motorcycles over here to give us more space. God, there's a lot of bikes in here, and I walk around and I realize just how much junk there is lying around. We need to get rid of some stuff. This is awesome. Did you see this, Corona? This guy, a client of ours bought this bike from a guy out in New Hampshire or something, and he shipped it out, and I've never seen a bike packed up quite this well. I mean, look, he put an American flag on it. It's got my name on it. It's got over here, it's got like, I guess he was riding it around with these on there. I don't know, but we're gonna get this thing running. We're gonna let the guy who owned it, or who bought it, unwrap it, because I think it'll be fun for him. Anyway, it's a Triumph Bonneville, in case you guys didn't know. And then over here, custom motorcycles just coming out of the woodwork. They're everywhere. And we had to push them all over here. Anyway, that's it. That was the daily. It was just show you that the place is in disarray. We'll have it all ready for the after party. Everyone who buys a ticket or a badge is invited to come out for the after party in our shop on Sunday. Like, comment, subscribe, buy your tickets, get your badges, get a keychain, drink a beer, whatever that is. Thanks for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.